So this is a vintage pattern, Vogue 9189, originally designed in 1960. And they are narrow pants. I'm doing view D, as you can see. Let's go. And of course, this is my favorite choice. I've started on the pants, but this pattern also has pockets, a side zipper, and a button. And so right now I'm just working on the dots front and back. Completed all the dots front and back. And started working on the pockets. And the left side is where the zipper goes. I got my zipper in. So let's make a buttonhole for my pants. I pulled out my stash because I haven't selected the button that I want to be sewn on the pants yet. And I selected a 5/8 of an inch, which is what the pattern is calling for. So I'm going to use this for the measurement to make the buttonhole. So the directions calls for a 5/8 inch button. And as you can see, it's hidden, the button is hidden right at the 5/8 inch mark. So this is a 5/8 inch button. So let's continue from here. So this is a baby lock soprano, and my accessories are in this drawer here. And I'm gonna pull out my buttonhole foot, which looks like this, and we're gonna attach it. But first, I'm gonna place my button in the back correct size buttonhole. Sure it's in there. And I'm gonna place it on my machine. Okay, my foot goes, the thread goes between these two lines, and you attach it like that. My machine has to be in a straight stitch position for my buttonhole, and my machine starts sewing from front to back. So I'm gonna align this first bar up with the first one to begin my mission. But before I do that, I have to select a buttonhole. And as you can see, it's marked on my machine. And I'm gonna select A4, which is a keyhole buttonhole. Let's see what happens. Pull down my buttonhole. So this is how the buttonhole is looking. Got to cut it out, or you cut the hole out in the buttonhole, and you can place pins on both sides of the buttonhole to keep from whatever you cutting with or going through your thread. So this is how it's looking on the front, and this is how it's looking on the back. So that's the keyhole buttonhole. I'm gonna remove my stuff from here. I'm just gonna turn my machine off to be on the safe side to replace my sewing foot. Put up my buttonhole and release this accessory. Before I cut my buttonhole, I'm gonna put freight check on it to keep it intact. And then we're gonna try this button so it'll go right in there. It's a 5/8 inch. So now I'm just gonna take my seam ripper. I have pinned it across each end and open up my buttonhole. Just like that. And it's open. So this is how the buttonhole is looking for V9189 Adventures Pattern View D. This is the tab that goes across the side of the pant. A woven legging, straight slim pants.